Let's break down today's market flow. Starting with SPY. The standout was a monster dark pool print, nearly $6.6 billion at 659.22. That single trade overshadows everything else and marks a level to watch closely. We also saw multiple billion-plus blocks stacked around the 657 to 660 zone, showing heavy positioning at current prices. Options were balanced. The big call trades were at the 660, 661, and 659 strikes, while puts concentrated at 650, 658, and 663. The call-put ratio came in almost even at 1.01, but the headline is clear: that 6.6 billion print is the level the market has to respect. Moving to QQQ. Flows lean more defensive. Dark pool prints clustered around 591 to 590, with several hundred million blocks, but nothing close to SPY's size. Options lean bearish. Calls showed activity at the 592 and 591 strikes, but puts dominated with the 588 and 589 contracts carrying the most weight. The call-put ratio finished at 0.67, firmly bearish, suggesting traders are leaning into hedges despite tech's recent strength. Next up, IWM. Small caps also lean bearish. We saw billion-level prints stacked just under 238 to 239, suggesting distribution at lower prices. On the option side, there was a big sweep into the 241 calls, but puts at 236 and 239 carry notable size. The call-put ratio came in at 0.49, the weakest of the three majors, showing traders pressing downside bets while fading rallies in small caps. Finally, let's touch on the unusual options flow. Today's best 5 names highlight where speculative money is moving. NVTS stood out with nearly 18,000 unusual contracts and over 200,000 in premium, the day's most active speculative play. MARA showed strong conviction with over 8,000 contracts and the longest average expiry at 64 days. NAKA put up 4,000 contracts in a tight 31-day window, a concentrated bet. And BITF and MBOT also surfaced with smaller but still notable activity relative to their size. The key takeaway: SPY's 6.6 billion dark pool print is the level to watch, while QQQ and IWM lean bearish, and unusual activity pointed towards speculative action in NVTS and MARA.